Hello, my name is Abigail Crozier, and I am a part of the Better Life campaign. Today, I will talk to you all about the importance of exercise. Those who have cardiovascular disease or any disease, this podcast is for you. Did you know that one of the leading risk factors for non-communicable disease mortality is physical inactivity? So exercising equals a better life, right? Well, if you're not convinced yet, then let me tell you an experience that happened within my family. About a month ago, I found out that one of my loved ones had a disease in a very important organ in their body. It was a scary, scary time for our family. Guess what will happen? Guess what will help them get back on track? Exercise. I didn't like it at first, but loved the adrenaline and energy they got after. He or she is now living so much better and happier because they realized that this disease could have taken their life. Now they are living a fear-free life due to exercise each day. People say that it could never happen to them, but it does, and every day someone finds out that they have a disease due to no exercise. It is so important to get as much exercise as you can. Sadly, because of the pandemic, people weren't able to go outside very much. Exercising has decreased every month since then. Because of the pandemic, we all need to exercise and get out of that house and couch. You're probably wondering, now what? Well, now is the time. Set aside 30 minutes a day and live your life by exercising. Just going for a walk could do wonders for your body and your happiness. Thank you all for listening. To find more facts on exercise, visit www.medalerthelp.org or find our campaign at cdcag.com. Thank you all so much. This is Abigail Griffin Crozier, and find us at Better Life campaign. Thank you.